I'm gonna bless you guys real quick. Check this out. Yeah, you're now rocking with the El Capitan Sankara. All I see is duffel bags when I stare into the mirror. Hoes looking like damn. He acts so arrogant, stuck to the throne like a third world president. Now shut your mouth, let a real nigga from the hood speak. Throw dirt on my name and watch it grow into a kush leaf. Throw some more dirt and it grow into a money tree. Strapped with a 32 and flies number 23. You be politicking, fuck the laws and the books. When the cops come, I just throw McCain in the bush, then I'm out. And bitch niggas don't get love. You be looking for them shy girls in the strip club. I put a price on your head, I'm a renegade. And I don't pay in cash, I pay in ace of spade. I'm a rebel only cause my mind stay chain bright, so I represent the sunshine state. And I be with them hoes that you only see them actors with. So when you see a nigga ask me this, you niggas broke, I bet they wondering if cash exists. We stash stacks in the bed, not a mattress stiff. Red, yellow, green Lambo, that's the shit. Anyhow, who hotter than Ish the Magnificent? Welcome to my world, but you are not a citizen. All I need is one mic, jury looking dumb bright. I murdered on this track, these other rappers are innocent.